Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. By the end of 2026, somewhere between 10 and 15% of jobs in the United States are going to be either gone or completely transformed by artificial intelligence. That's not a guess. That's the number coming out of the Boston Consulting Group based on real data from 165 million American workers. Some jobs are already disappearing right now. Some are about to. And a few are actually safer than ever. Today I'm going to tell you exactly which jobs AI is coming for in 2026, which ones are safe, and most importantly, what you can do about it if your career is on the list. This is the AI Signal. AI news and tools in plain English. No hype, no jargon. Today's video is going to be a little more serious than usual because this stuff affects real people's lives, including probably someone watching this right now. Let's get into it. The first job AI is replacing the fastest, and this one's already happening, is call center and customer service work. Companies have been moving to AI-powered customer support faster than anyone predicted. We're not talking about those old, frustrating chatbots that couldn't understand anything. The new AI systems can hold full conversations, solve complex problems, handle billing disputes, and escalate to humans only when needed. The harsh truth is most basic customer service jobs that don't require relationship building are facing the harshest impacts of any industry right now. If you work in a call center, this is the moment to start thinking about your next move. Second on the list is entry-level office work. Administrative assistants, data entry clerks, basic bookkeeping, junior paralegals, and entry-level marketing positions. According to the World Economic Forum, companies are quietly choosing not to hire for these positions because AI can do the tasks. The scary part is, this is happening silently. Companies aren't firing people. They're just not hiring replacements when someone leaves. The numbers are wild. Employment for workers under 25 is dropping in AI-exposed industries, and it's not because of layoffs. It's because the entry-level pipeline is drying up. Third, basic content and copywriting. Blog posts, product descriptions, email marketing, social media captions. The bulk of what content writers used to do can now be done by AI in seconds. But here's the nuance. AI is replacing average writers. It's not touching great ones. The people who can write with genuine voice, original insight, and human emotion are seeing their value go up. The race to the bottom on cheap content is over. AI won that race. But the race to the top? The race for content that actually moves people? That's wide open for anyone who's willing to develop real skill. Fourth, junior coding positions and basic IT support. AI coding tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot can now write entire functional applications. Companies that used to hire teams of junior developers are now hiring one senior developer with an AI assistant. The senior developer gets to do work that previously took 5 people. The 4 junior developers don't get hired. If you're a senior developer right now, your value is going through the roof. If you were planning to become a junior developer, the path is shrinking fast. Fifth on the list is 2 categories that surprised me. Basic retail positions that involve inventory management and standard transactions, and entry-level financial analysis. AI is doing both at scale right now. The Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas actually published research on this earlier in 2026, showing wages are going up for experienced workers in AI-exposed industries, while opportunities for entry-level workers in those same industries are disappearing. The pattern is clear. Experience wins. Entry-level loses. Now let's talk about the good news. The jobs that AI is not coming for. And honestly, some of these might surprise you. Number 1. Anything that requires hands-on physical work. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, mechanics, construction workers. AI can't physically show up at your house and fix your busted pipe. These trades are seeing wages climb, and demand is only growing. Number 2. Healthcare jobs that require human touch. Nurses, physical therapists, medical assistants, mental health counselors. AI is helping these professionals do their jobs better, but it's not replacing the human element that healing requires. Number 3. Anything that requires real judgment and accountability. Senior managers, executives, lawyers who actually argue cases in court, financial advisors who manage real client relationships, surgeons. AI can analyze data and suggest options. But when something goes wrong, somebody has to be accountable, and that somebody is human. Number 4, creative work with genuine voice. Not the basic content I mentioned earlier. I'm talking about real artists, real writers, real designers who have an actual perspective and style. The premium for human creativity is going up, not down. Number 5, anything involving direct relationship building. Salespeople who close big deals, account managers, business development, teachers who actually inspire students, coaches. The roles where the value is the relationship are safer than ever. Okay, so what do you actually do about all this? 3 practical things. First, if your job is on the at-risk list, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Start using AI tools at work right now. The workers who use AI to make themselves 10 times more effective are the ones who survive. The workers who refuse to learn the tools are the ones who get replaced. Second, develop skills AI can't replicate: judgment, relationships, hands-on work, creative voice, accountability. These are the moats around your career. Third, if you're under 25 and just starting out, the path is harder than it was 5 years ago, but it's not closed. Skip the traditional entry-level grind and go straight to learning AI tools deeply. The young person who knows AI better than anyone in their industry has more value than 10 people who don't. The truth about AI and jobs in 2026 is more nuanced than the headlines make it seem. AI isn't coming for everyone. It's coming for the easily automatable parts of work. The people who recognize this early and adapt are going to be fine. Better than fine, actually. The ones who pretend it's not happening are the ones who get left behind. Don't be that person. If this video was useful, subscribe for more AI news every week in plain English. Drop a comment below. What industry do you work in, and do you think AI is coming for your job? I'll see you in the next one.